What up, guys, and welcome back to JesusDrawz. In today's video, judging by the title, we're going to be making a flip book. Yeah. And with these flip books, I decided to get some unruled index cards, 100 of them, and some binder clips to hold it all together. The key to these things and making them look realistic is keeping them all in place, making sure they're lined up so they look clean, transitions are smooth. I was originally not gonna do all 100 because I was like, damn, this is gonna take forever, but I never really use index cards, so I figured I might as well use the whole thing. So I used all 100 to make this animation, and if anything, I could have actually used more to make the animation a little longer because there were so many ideas popping in my head afterwards after the product was finished. But moving right along, I'm gonna show you guys the process. I didn't record the whole process. I only recorded myself inking up to maybe like 60 flashcards. The recording just took forever and the rendering took forever, and I don't think my computer would have had enough space to hold all the footage, and I didn't want to ruin the ending of the little flip book, so I just cut it off towards the middle, and then I actually colored it in. I didn't record that either, but I colored it in, and I think this whole little flip book came out really cool. I've never really done anything like this. I never actually made a flip book. Closest thing I got to a flip book was using Windows Paint and Windows Movie Maker and just animating that. That was a really long time ago. That was probably like high school, not even high school, I don't know, but this was the first time doing something like this with a little booklet, so I was kind of a little nervous to think about how is this process gonna go, what kind of story am I gonna have. But I got a little story as I planned out the video. I was thinking maybe there could be a monster in like a closet or something. There's like a little kid sleeping and he hears a monster. I kind of figured this was really inspired by Monsters Inc. I don't know why, it kind of reminded me of Monsters Inc. But yeah, I basically made the story on the go as kept drawing, and I was like, okay, so what's gonna happen once the monster comes out of the closet, and what's he gonna do and all that. But you'll get to see at the end of the video. I'm actually gonna put a little time stamp or whatever, so you guys can just skip to the flip book if you don't want to see this extremely long process. It's even longer, it's just that I sped up the footage and didn't record it all the way. My hand was about to fall off, man. I feel like I was about to develop arthritis or whatever, but it was worth it. Beauty is pain, or pain is beauty, or whatever the fuck they say. But anyways, I didn't have a light table, so I had to use my phone. I got like a white background and just use that. Went on photos, zoomed in, but that was so annoying. I kept sliding the phone and going back because my finger kept going through the index card, and I would touch the phone. It was annoying as fuck. So I was like, man, I'm gonna have a head full of gray hair by the end of this. So I just got this free app. It wasn't that bad. I could have paid for one, but I'm a cheap bastard. I didn't want to spend $1. So I just got some free one. I actually got the job done. It wasn't bad, But I mean, if you have a light table, it'll definitely be way better than using your phone. But gotta work with what you got. And yeah, I would say I worked on this for 3 days. I don't know exactly how many hours, but it was a lot of hours. The rendering itself took 16 hours just to shorten this footage that I actually captured. There was a ton more, but I didn't record it. I didn't want my computer to run out of space or anything. But yeah, it was pretty cool. For 30 seconds, or not even, maybe even like 20 seconds of a little clip, it takes a really long time. I understand animation is one of those things that's very tedious and long. Growing up, that was actually the first career choice I picked. I actually wanted to do animation before I thought about anything about art. But you obviously need to be somewhat good at art to do animation. But yeah, we're wrapping it up here, folks. We're gonna get straight to the final product so you guys can see this cool little animation that I did. I really like this. I'm gonna run through and you guys can see how it goes, and then I'm gonna add my own little sound effects. Just play it through twice so you can see real quick. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you guys want to see me make another flip book or anything like that. I'm definitely going to try making animation on a computer. I just figured out in Clip Studio Paint you can make animation, so what? I'm definitely going to make a video making an animation on a computer. But here's the final product, the monster. Here's just a quick run through. He hears a sound, he blinks, he looks in the closet. Oh shit! It's a happy monster. Or maybe he's just lying to him, he's deceiving him. He wants a handshake. He's like, monster looks friendly. Monster's mouth is salivating because he's hungry. Oh shit, what's going on? Oh shit, he's dragging his ass in. Oh no, what the? He just ate him. All right, now we're gonna run through this, but with sound effects. The monster. That's a sound. Whoa shit, what was that? Ta-da! What? Ding. So yeah, that was pretty much the animation, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Drop a like. You guys want to see me make another flip book? Let me know. I had a ton of fun doing this. Drop a like, share, keep creating, spread the peace, spread the love. You keep it real. Until next time. Peace.